So we just finished installing the screen protector to the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and now we got to get a case. Let's take a look at the official Pixel 6 Pro case. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Google Pixel 6 Pro case, official case from Google. You can pick this up at the Google store for $29, like I said. I don't know if it's free shipping, to be honest, but you can go ahead and pick it up and see. It is available in 4 different colors. There is the soft sage, stormy sky, light frost, which is the one I have in front of me, and golden glow. They are currently all out of stock, but they will be available as soon as more come into play. But let's take a quick look. Very typical case. Big shout out to Google for sending this out for review. Hashtag gift from Google. Hashtag Team Pixel baby. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Team Pixel baby, there you go. For any warranty information, check that out. Now it is like a hard plastic slash soft TPU. The back is soft touch and matted, and it is translucent. Look at that, you can see right through it. But these sides right here, I think only in the buttons are a little bit of flexible compared to the other edges here. They're nice and hard. It's like a combination of hard plastic and soft plastic. So let's go ahead and place this case and look at that bad boy. It looks pretty good actually, and it feels great in hand. Does not add too much bulk to your device. The cutouts are nice and precise. There's plenty of room around the charging port there. If you want to go ahead and use a third-party charging cable that's a little thicker than usual, you most definitely can. On top you have the mic nice and cut out. On the side you have 100% covered buttons, which are nice and very tactile, very responsive. You can hear that loud clicky sound. That's what we want to hear. Google logo right smack down in the middle. Nothing on the left side. We do have some camera lens protection there. As you can see, these edges here on top are nice and raised. You can see that nice raised edge here on the bottom and top of the camera lens. So you are protected if you laid your phone flat down on a flat surface. There is going to be no issue there, and you do not have that shaky wobble with this device. So it doesn't shake and wobble unless you go way over here and press very hard. Then it is going to start doing that, but I wouldn't worry too much about that. On the front end of the display, you do have lens protection there on the bottom as well as the top. Very little on the sides. Of course, this is a curved display, so you are protected if you lay your phone flat down, face down on a flat surface. Your device is protected, so your screen is not gonna get scratched or anything like that. Make sure you put a tempered glass screen protector on there or a regular screen protector. There is not that many tempered glass screen protectors out there for this device, so I do have a flexible TPU screen protector currently installed, and the case works phenomenally with it. There's no issues. There's no pullback on the sides or anything like that. The case is nice and snugged. It is not loose by any means, and it feels great and adds very bulk to your device, almost none. Looks very good. Google did a great job with this, and of course I believe it's going to wirelessly charge through the case with no issues there whatsoever. So for $29, if this case worth your $29, I honestly think it is. It's a very nice premium case from Google. We haven't seen anything like this from them before. We usually get those material cases, and I like those material cases, but they tend to get dirty really fast. At least these are, you're able to clean these off if they do get dirty. These also mitigate the fingerprint greasiness of your hands. You see that, and it is like a matted frosted color. I really like this case, and I will be rocking it for now. Anyways, link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up for yourself. Please like, share, and subscribe. $29 official case from Google for the Pixel 6 Pro. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.